some boots.
Okay, you can stop now.
I got some boots.
Is there something else I can help with?
Siri, I want blue.
Hey guys, it's me, Toumi from the Two Sisters, and today I'm with my little sister, Sue. And today we're doing our very first slime video! Woohoo! So, how it's gonna work is Sue's gonna put our slime. We got silver, blue glue, and pink glue. So, we are gonna name the pink glue 1, 2, and 3. And this is how it's gonna work. Hey Siri!
Go ahead.
This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Pick a random number between 1 and 3.
That would be 1.
Spell wow for me.
My turn.
Sister's turn. Say pick a number. Okay, I'll do it for you. Pick a random number between 1 and 3.
It's 1.
So we both get to have silver.
Me first.
Okay, so I'm gonna you need to add half. You don't have to do
Okay. Actually, no.
Okay, I'm gonna help you.
Squeeze!
We can only get blocked out.
Squeeze! So I have to save some for you.
Okay, I guess that could be enough.
Yeah.
I don't know how I'm gonna spot this, that. And I'm gonna add more. Oh my god, that's a lot. I can't get it out so hard.
Let me.
Oh yeah, this is fun!
Let me try to get it out.
And now I think you need more. Okay guys, so that was glue number 1.
Yep.
Well, round number 1.
Whoa,
So, Siri. Okay, round number 2, we need more glue because obviously one glue is not going to do enough for our slime. So this time, since silver glue is almost over, we add clear glue as the next. Hey Siri!
Pick a number 1 and 3.
I'm here.
Pick a random number from 1 to 3.
The answer is 3.
So, she got clear. And now we're going to have random number between 1 and 3.
Hey Siri.
So, hey Siri!
Pick a number 4.
No, you've already added yours. Pick a random number from 1 to 3.
A random number between 1 and 3 is 3.
I got pink!
Number for 1 and 3.
That would be 2.
Squeeze that lemon.
It's not a lemon.
Squeeze that peach pink.
Guys, listen to this. Hey Siri,
I'm listening.
can you beatbox?
Here's one I've been practicing. Boots
And cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and
I
cats.
could do this all day.
Cats and boots and cats and boots and cats. Next round, we're gonna have purple foam balls. We're gonna have rainbow foam balls. We're gonna have yellow foam balls. Okay. So yellow's gonna be number 3, rainbow's gonna be number 2, and purple's gonna be number 1. So, hey Siri,
Pick a number 1.
no, this is mine. Pick a random number from 1 to 3.
A random number between 1 and 3 is 1.
Purple, yes!
Put it all.
So I left a little for my sister, so in case she gets 1, although we do have a lot more foam.
Siri, pick a number for 1 and 3.
That would be 3.
She got yellow! She wanted yellow!
I wanted yellow the whole time.
Okay, so the phone just went everywhere, but that's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. Let's just add it in. My sister's gonna add all the yellow because you know the round is just about to end. Hey Siri, random number between 1 and 2.
It's 2.
I got rainbow. Okay, I'm gonna like try to open it.
Siri, pick a number for 1 and 3.
That would be 1.
You got purple! Why does she get everything she wants? And I get what? Round number. What round is it? Round number 3. Okay, so round number 3 is gonna be glitter. We're gonna do some pencil glitter for round number 3. Yay! So this time,
Can I pick a number for 1 and 3?
hey Siri,
I'm here.
pick a number between 1 and 4.
A random number between 1 and 4 is 1.
I got blue. Oh right. I got this is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. So I got red, which is not going to add very much because I can't really open it. So I'm just going to add as much as I can.
Siri, pick a number for 1 and
Salma, he doesn't recognize your word. Hey Siri.
Hey Siri, pick a
Go
number
ahead.
for Siri, pick a number for 1 and 3.
4 Salma.
A random number between 1 and 3 is 3.
She got yellow.
Yes, I wanted that.
Okay. So blue and green sadly weren't chosen. So alright. I got a really good slime. And at the end we're gonna add activator. Activator is not included in this because we only have 1 type. Okay. That's enough.
That's my
Squares. Okay, that's enough because I'm gonna start to blow foam balls.
And
Next is fish balls.
Fish
So, we
balls!
have pink fish balls, red fish balls, and
Go ahead.
pick a random number from 1 to 3.
A random number between 1 and 3 is 1.
I got pink! Okay, yeah, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. I got pink, exactly what I wanted.
Siri, pick a number for 1 and
3.
3, 4, 2.
It's 2,328.
She said from 1 and 3,342 because she got a little confused. 1 and 3. Hey Siri, pick a number between 1 and 3.
It's 3.
She got rainbow!
Oh, I love rainbow.
I got pink and she got a rainbow. How do I open this? I'm just gonna... So these foam balls are made of foam.
Look at my glittery slime.
Next is...
Highlight.
Next is glitter. So we only have 2 giant glitters.
Sadly. Hey Siri.
Okay.
Yes.
Pick a number between...
A random number between 1 and 2 is 2.
So this is 1 and this is 2. So I wanted red because it will like match with my theme. A tiny bit so it doesn't make a mess. Okay, I think that would be enough.
No, add more. This is all about.
I'm just gonna open the blue as well.
Siri,
Hey Siri.
pick a number for 1 and 2.
A random number between 1 and 2 is 2.
I got red too.
All of it, like put a load.
Since I need to.
I think that's enough. I think that's good. So glitter out, big glitters are done. Now we're gonna have 4 little glitters. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of 4. We're gonna have
4 glitters.
4 little glitters. They're a little small to see.
Siri, pick a number for 1 and 4.
It's 1.
Ooh, you get the heart. Added a little tiny, didn't add that much. We'll add a replacement to 1. We'll add a replacement to 1 because my sister used all of 1. So, replacement. This one is hard. Hey Siri.
A random number between 1 and 4 is 2.
Yes! I got pink spaghetti! Woo! Let's get some hot decorations. So I think we're gonna have another glue round because there's a lot of decorations. Okay, I'm gonna like.
Me.
Now we're gonna have another glue round because basically we have only three glues in this and a load of decorations. I don't think we're gonna be able to take it. So let's get more.
I want blue.
Oh, I should probably take out the other options.
I want blue.
Yeah, you could. Yeah, maybe you can pick this. I think we're gonna add in clear. Wait, okay. He could get one. I'm gonna have some more pink.
Some more.
So I'll go first. Hey Siri, pick a random number between 1 and 3.
A random number between 1 and 3 is 1.
Dang it! I got blue.
I want blue.
I'm gonna add little.
Because you don't like.
This part out because it's like all of my ingredients and stuff. I think that's enough. Keep muddling up the oil. That was clear. This was right now. So let's put this away. This is tiny green.
I want
Don't
it
lie.
blue. Get out, you stupid blue.
Let me help. Let me help.
No, I know how to do it. Alright.
Hey Siri, I just need to get this attached.
Pick a number for 1 and 3. Pick a number. Siri. Pick a number.
It's 12.
And random number between 0 and 100 is 12. So Sally, say from 1 and 3.
Siri, pick a number for 1 and 3.
She said 5! She said 5! This one. Make this one. So we got round 3. We got
Come on,
we
glitter!
got some more little like stuff and I want everything.
Oh my goodness!
1, 2, and 3. Hey Siri. Pick a number for
Yes.
1 and 3. Pick a number between 1 and 3.
A random number between 1 and 3 is 2.
Blue. I wasn't expecting it, but I don't know how I'm going to open this. I'm just going to pick up some scissors. Okay. Let's get it open. Let's add it in.
Do you want all of it?
This is going to be a really... I don't know what color it's going to turn out. I don't know. It's really weird. Now we've got to replace number 2. Let's replace 2 with some green.
I want.
So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. We changed up the order a little so we don't keep picking one. The order. Yeah, that's the order. 1, 2, and 3. Hey Siri.
Pick a number for 1 and 3.
A random number between 1 and 3 is 2.
She got blue.
Okay.
Hey Siri.
Pick a number for 1 and 3.
This is it.
A random number between...
It's 1. It's 1.
I'm not sure I understand.
It's 1. It's 1. You guys. I only have
Oh
2
my goodness,
options.
mine looks beautiful.
Hey Siri, pick a random number between 1 and 2.
The answer is 2.
Yes! Okay, look at us. My slime looks super duper cool. Well, now it's time for the ultimate activator. I'm going to add in some elements.
My slime.
I love
So not use
it.
your hands is better.
No.
I love my slime.
Fine.
Well, mine is like getting really grey. It's probably because of all that silver glue and clear glue and white
Look at
glue that I
mine.
added.
Look at mine.
And but
Sis, look at
and I got
mine.
some like
Sis.
cool. My sister's is turning purple with yellow foam glue. It turned out to work. They did not make identical. I was actually thinking they would turn identical, but they did not because Siri kept picking 3, 2, and 1 for each of us. So we kept swapping the ingredients, and that plan worked. And my slime is looks really cool. I've got like this silver. It's turning pretty grey, and it's got some like red glitter in it. And I love that. And I got some foam beads with. I'm gonna see if I can find any beads. I have a bead.
Oh
so
my
cool.
Guys, it's so cool because
It's not activating though. Yes. Okay, this might take some time.
yes.
It's getting on my hands.
Mine is slime now.
It's not slimy, so that's not slime. You guys, this was so cool. I love my slime colour, but I don't think I would have liked it without the foam beads. Like the foam beads is the best part. It's the colour of the slime. The slime, I think the best part of the decoration fish bowls. Look, there's the fish bowl. You can barely see it. But the foam beads, they like strike in with the move. They go past the fish bowls and they show up. Which I really love about them. And my slime is pretty good. It's activated, but still not activated.
Whoa, mine is activated. Just get a little. Mine is activated.
Mine is activated. My hands are glitter. Glitter.
Guys, I'm not stopping this. It's just fun.
I don't want every time I touch this slime, I don't want my hands to turn out like this. But wait, we can't just go without giving you guys close-ups, so come here. Take a look at my slime. My slime is really pretty. I love it. And without the foam balls or the glitter, I don't think it would have been as pretty. So I don't thank myself. I thank Siri, because Siri is the best. He gave me the best slime in the world. Because it would look boring. Just grey slime with a bunch of white fish balls would look boring. Siri was on my side of the team. He gave me the slime. And so you guys, let's move on to my sister's close-up. So Sandra, sudden misfortune. Let's see my sisters. Wait, I think something's stuck in there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, nothing's stuck. Stuck in. I just got one white foam, like one.
Let's mix it.
No!
That'll be cool though.
No! Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe, like,